Ortiz.
Hold on to this.
Oh, you need me to hold on to this?
Yes, please.
Oh, wow. Okay, it's official.
Yes, it is.
So my name's Liz Ortiz. I'm one of the HR generalists at Freedman Seating. We are a manufacturing company. We've been around for about 130 years. It's family owned. The family's still very fully involved with the company. We are located on the west side of Chicago, so Cicero and Augusta. We have a ton of positions that are open right now that we're looking to bring in. Production is pretty high, so we're trying to bring in as many positions as we can. We have from entry level to more skilled labor, from packers to polishers, assemblers. We have some machine operators, some higher end machine operators like CNC machines, welders. So there's a slew of positions that we are looking for.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
You know, I run a Rogers Park news group, and somebody asked for a welding job.
Oh, nice.
And I didn't know where to send them. Now I do. How many positions are you looking to fill, and what are the various qualifications for the different levels of positions?
So we have over 50 positions that are open right now to fill. Anybody can actually go online to freedmanseating.com under careers. They can pull all of our job descriptions. It'll tell you exactly what the job entails, and it'll go over the expectations for that position. Again, as I mentioned, we have entry level to more advanced level. So for welders, we're looking for somebody who has experience welding. Sometimes it's just hands-on experience. Most of the times we do look for certifications. So depending on what their certification is for welding. Assemblers, we have again different levels of assemblers. Those are more hands-on experience. So if you have like automotive experience, you're able to work on cars, put things together, read blueprints. Those are the type of experiences that we're looking for. Packer, if you're able to read the orders and the skids and make sure that we're pulling the inventory that needs to be pulled for those. That's what we're looking for. Some computer experience to be able to pull up some of the orders and some of the blueprints. If you're able to stand on your feet for more than 8 hours a day, is definitely a plus as well. And being, able to acclimate to the different temperatures. We are a warehouse, so you expect the warehouse to be the temperature inside as well as outside, so it's all the same.
Are you in search of forklift driver for employees?
Yes, we do have shipping and receiving. So we do it all from design to shipping and receiving. So everything in between, it's done at our one location.
Are you hiring people who are specialists at phones?
Elaborate a little bit on that.
Are you hiring phone positions?
Phone positions, so we do have some customer service positions available.
Very good. And just seating for buses or what?
Yes, so we manufacture seats for buses and mid-sized vans. So if you've sat in a shuttle bus, you most likely sat in a Freedman seat.
And then one more time, how to contact you and then spell it out.
Sure, you can actually go to seating.com under careers, and you'll be able to see all of our positions on there. We also have a human resource team that you can actually reach out to. Our main number is 773-524-2440, and you can ask for the HR department.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.